But on the Sony website, they're still currently priced up at £180 despite being out for a couple of years already. So let's take a look at the box. As you can see, you've got the plastic window here showing the headphones. Doesn't really leave much to the imagination. You've got information on the front here, a lot of different sort of icons and logos, Google Assistant included, HD cooling, IP4 water resistant. It gives you 3 hours worth of usage, and you can use it for voice control as well, and of course it's noise cancelling. Simply open up from the bottom here, and this top window just lifts off, and we've got some information on how to download the relevant apps and quick start guides on how to get them out of the packaging. I'm sure I'm going to follow that. Let's get that out first. Okay, these are quite neat looking headphones in grey. That was supposed to happen, of course. So these are quite neat looking, as I said. You've got little buttons on here. I'm not sure if these are microphones or if they're function buttons. They look like just microphones or just ways of listening in for the ambient sound. You've got the charging points on there as well. These little grommets, I believe, come off, which I'll investigate a bit later. But they're quite small. The actual bud itself is around 3 centimeters, 3.5 centimeters, as you can probably see there. And then in terms of the height, again, further 3. They look neat. They look like they'd be quite light to wear. This is the charging case, and it swivels both ways. It's quite big, to be honest with you. Made from plastic. And you've got the micro USB, and that's for the charging. Would have been cool to have that as USB Type C, but these are a couple of years old, and you've got the NFC section there. But that spins round. Now I can imagine that snapping off, to be honest. It's very flimsy. But providing the headphones go in there, so you've got left and right places to put these as well. Wow, that's tricky to put in. I'm going to have to twiddle that round, twist it round to actually fit that in there. Wow, that's not very easy at all. So I've got to twist it one way in order for them to fit. But they fit in quite snugly. Doesn't look like they're magnetic. Quite neat. Let's see what else is in the box here. So in the rest of the box, you also have a cardboard top there. Nothing in the bottom there. Open this up and see what's in here. Okay. So nothing else in there. Plastic bag. It looks like this is where we find all of the rest of the bits. So you've got more spaces to make sure that you have the right fit. Keep it snug in your ear. You've got 3 lots of grommets here. It looks like these are all different colours as well. So you've got a different colour for each size. By the looks of things, they look like they're different sizes. Google Assistant quick start guides, micro USB cable, and loads of paperwork.